Here's a pair of the T12 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Windows PC, computer, or laptop via Bluetooth. So the first thing is, let's put the earbuds in a pairing mode, okay? So go ahead and take out your earbuds out of the case. And as soon as you take them out, you'll know that it's in pairing mode if one of the buds is blinking green on the top of here, okay? So just one of the buds needs to be blinking green. And I don't get anything, I don't get no lights on here. The reason why I don't get any lights is because I'm currently connected to another device. So I'm paired and connected to my Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus here. So I need to go to Bluetooth. So let me go to settings here. And then I'm going to go to connections. I'm going to go to Bluetooth. And yeah, you can see it's connected to T12s here. I can turn these off. Oops. I can turn it off, disconnect, or just delete off the pairing list. As soon as I do that, if I do any of those three, like look at the earbuds, one of them is blinking green now. So now it's in pairing mode. Now let's hurry up and go right to our computer, and you want to go to your Bluetooth settings. You can do a search on the bottom left hand side. Just do a search for Bluetooth right up here, Bluetooth and other devices and settings. Go ahead and click on Bluetooth right there, and then you want to make sure Bluetooth is on, toggled on, and then tap on add Bluetooth other device right here. And then we're going to select the first one right here. It says Bluetooth, and now you can see this line going across here. It's searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me. Okay, these are still in the pairing mode. One of them is blinking green, green, green. So just wait till it shows up, and it did show up right there, T12s. Let's tap on that. It says connecting, and voila. And it just said connected on the earbuds as well. And you can see if I scroll down under audio, you can see the T12 is connected. Now, if you had any kind of issues where you couldn't put it in pairing mode, or any kind of issues pairing or connecting, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look below in the link in the description area.